Are you stuck with the WhatsApp chat backup on your iPhone? If your WhatsApp chat backup is stuck and you cannot back up your WhatsApp chat, then here's the step-by-step guide of how you can fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is just need to check out and fix your internet connection. So I've done from the very top and enable the airplane mode for let's say 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back off. This will slightly restart the network system and see if that fixes your problem or not. But before heading into this one, you just need to check out some of the important settings. Open up the settings app from your iPhone and then tap on this Apple ID at the very top, and then scroll down, tap on iCloud here, and then scroll down, tap on See All, and inside this one you just need to scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll get to see the WhatsApp. Make sure it's toggle on, or if it's already toggle on, toggle off this option and then toggle it back again. And then scroll up and tap on the iCloud Drive and make sure we have enabled iCloud Drive from here as well, and then get back to the main settings. From the iPhone settings, you just need to scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and also you just need to make sure that you have available free storage on your iPhone, and then get back to the General again, and then scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh, and make sure you have selected the Wi-Fi and cellular data. And once you have made sure all the settings, you just need to get back from here and restart your iPhone once. You can tap on this virtual home button, device, more, and restart, and tap on restart in order to restart your iPhone. And once you get back, and your chat backup problem will be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.